Yes, it's beach day. Yes, it's beach day.
I need my best swimsuit today.
This one is perfect.
Slow down, Mia.
I'm too excited, Mom.
Enjoy your pancakes, sweetie.
Can we go now? Please?
Yes, honey. We can go now.
Can we go now? Please? Yes, let's go. Today is beach day.
I love the beach. Oh, my favorite swimsuit.
Thank you, Mom. You're welcome, sweetie.
You're welcome, Sweaty.
Can we go to the beach today?
Of course we can, honey.
Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
I have it.
Perfect. Let's load up the car. I can't wait.
Me too. Let's go. Bye, house. See you later, Con. The beach is my favorite place.
I'm ready now. Is it far to the beach?
Not far at all, sweetie. We are almost there.
Not too far. I see the bus. Look, Mom, the ocean.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Can we go swimming?
Maybe later, sweetie. So many people and... It looks amazing! Let's go! Finally, we're here! Go find a nice spot.
This spot is the best.
Oh, yes, it is.
Whoa!
She picked a winner. She picked a winner.
This is a good spot. That swimsuit looks old. It's still my favorite. This is fun. I guess she has a nice ball. Thanks. Wanna play? That's my ball. Oh, all right. Here.
But I found it. Place it.
Be more careful next time. Be more careful next time.
No, 기다려.
She didn't say thank you.
That felt bad.
This will cheer me up.
Playing alone isn't fun.
Oh. Wow, that castle is cool! Wow, that castle is cool!
How did you make the towers? I used the bucket and the shovel. I used this little cup. That works really well.
Wow, that's amazing! Thanks, I think it looks pretty cool too. Oh, what might? Wow, that's amazing!
Can I help you build it? Yes, please. That would be wonderful.
And can I help you build it? Really? I'd love that.
Yes, of course. Sit here. Yes, of course. Sit here. Haha. This is actually really fun. Now it looks like a real castle. It's perfect. Now it looks like a real castle. Wave! Look out! Oh! It's perfect. It's perfect. Wave! Look out!
It's completely gone. Where could it be? I don't know. We have to look faster.
What was Sally? That was so silly.
Let's build a bigger one over there.
That's a great idea. Or let's go swimming first. Or let's go swimming first. Yes, let's go. Or peep Inamokai. Let's go swimming first. All right, let's go. Careful, it's deeper here, Anna. Take that. Oh, yeah? Hey! Got you back.
Hey, now you!
Wait, what's that? Gotcha!
Hey, that tickles!
Sorry, you look delicious.
You're silly. Come, let's sit down.
A small crab did that. It's not serious. A small crab did that. It's not serious.
It's just a little red. You're okay. That crab scared me. It was just a little guy. Well, his pinchers looked huge. It happens to everyone. Do you want some lunch?
Oh my gosh, I'm starving.
Here you go.
Thanks. This is the best sunset picnic ever.
Lily, thank you so much. My mom makes the best sandwiches.
Try these. They're my favorite.
Thanks.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. My mom and I do everything together. That sounds really nice. I have a big house, but I'm often alone. I'm sorry to hear that.
What is your house like? It's small but cozy, and it's right by the ocean.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It's small but very cozy. It really is perfect. I love it here. Will you be my friend, Lily? Yes, of course.
Of course, Mia.
Lum! Look at this one.
It's beautiful. I know, right? Look at the swirl. It's perfect.
I am keeping it.
Good idea. It's perfect. The best part of the day? I wish this moment lasted forever. Mia, time to go home. Look at this amazing sunset. It's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. I guess you're right. It is lovely. We should watch it together. We need to leave now. Let's go.
Let's meet here again next week. Okay.
I promise. I'll be here.
Bye, Lily. See you soon.
Bye, Mia, Khan. Bye, Mia. Thank you for today.
I made a wonderful new friend.
That is wonderful, sweetie. Today was the best beach day ever.
Today was the best beach day ever. See you soon, Lily. Bye.